polynomials, multiplication of the polynomials, certain polynomials by means of or by using the special products of type or of group 4. Here we are utilizing the group 4 special products while we are finding the product of a polynomials. So here the group 4 special products are of, one is a plus b plus c whole square in its expansion, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and the second one is of a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We are going to utilize these two special products while we are performing the calculation, that is multiplication of the polynomials. So here the special products are of, special products under the group 4 are of, one as, the first one as a plus b plus c whole square, that equals to in its expansion. So we will be getting it as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And whereas the second one under the group 4 special products, the second one is of a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is the second special product. We are going to prove these two conditions, prove these two special products algebraically. So here I am going to prove the first one, that is the a plus b plus c whole square as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So you have to prove this condition. So first of all I want to take the LHS. So now the algebraical proof starts now. In our algebraical proof I want to take the LHS quantity. So your LHS quantity is of a plus b plus c whole square. So here a plus b plus c whole square, but here I want to assume this a plus b as the one more quantity. So here first of all let us assume, so here let this a plus b as another letter, that is p. So I am going to assume this a plus b as p. Then now this a plus b plus c whole square can be written as, so instead of a plus b, so I am going to write it as p. Then now plus c must be written as it is, but it must be squared, so a whole square. So instead a plus b I have written as p. Then now here we know the special product, that is a plus b whole square form. So it is in the form of p plus c whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. So here we know that in its expansion p plus c whole square will be of, so p whole square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term whole square, that is c whole square. I got this logical step, I got this step by means of or by utilizing the special product, that is a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Instead of a I have replaced by means of p. Instead of b I replace by means of c, that is whole square, that is a plus b whole square equals to a square, so it is p square plus 2ab, so here 2 into p into c 2pc plus b square as here c square. Then now that implies p square plus 2 into p into c as 2pc plus c square. So here now I am going to replace p square, I want to substitute p value, that is a plus b again in the same place. So I want to substitute a plus b in the place of p again. So here by replacing again p by means of a plus b, the step is of p square plus 2pc plus c square. That implies p square plus 2pc plus c square is the previous logical step, but we assumed P as A plus B, but P is equals to A plus B. So here then replacing P, that is A plus B, in the P square plus 2PC plus C square. So that implies, so here P value is of A plus B whole square plus 2 into P value is of A plus B into C written as it is plus C square must be copied as it is. So that implies, now it is in the form of A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square is nothing but A square plus 2AB plus B square into its expansion plus 2C into A plus B. So here I have written as here 2 into C in front of the bracket, 2 into C as 2C into A plus B plus C square in its expanded form. So here A square plus 2AB plus B square written as it is up to this extent. So here I got the previous logical step here by utilizing, so here A plus B whole square formula has A square plus 2AB plus B square. Since A plus B whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square, then now, so here we have to multiply each and every term by means of 2C into A and 2C into B. 2C into A is 2CA plus 2C into B is 2CB plus C square. So here by grouping in an order manner, so here A square, all the square terms first of all, so A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC, so 2CB can be written as 2BC plus 2C into A is 2CA. So in this manner I got, hence, so I took LHS, so this is nothing but the RHS. So here LHS is of A plus B plus C whole square, then now here A plus B whole square, I got the right hand side step. So A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So I got the right hand side, that is A square plus B square plus 2 square, C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, which is nothing but the RHS. So in this manner I got LHS and the RHS as equal. Hence, so here A plus B plus C whole square is nothing but, so here A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So here in this manner, so we have proved this special product as A plus B plus C whole square as A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Under this, let us perform one example, that is example number 1. So example number 1 is of if A plus B plus C equals to 9, then AB plus BC plus CA equals to 26, then find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. A square plus B square plus C square. So here we have to find out the value of A square plus B square plus C square when this condition is given. So the solution starts now. So in our solution, the if condition which is given for us is A plus B plus C value is of 9 and AB plus BC plus CA is of 26. So here to be proved condition is of A square plus B square plus, so here we have to find out its value. So we have to find out the value of A square plus B square plus C square. Then now here we know that A plus B plus C whole square, because here A plus B plus C value is given and here he is asking us to find out A square plus B square plus C square. Here squares are there, so we have to write this formula as A plus B plus C whole square equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. as per the special product, I want to find out the value of, so a plus b plus c equals to 9 is given as I say here, a plus b plus c is equals to 9. So in order to get, so here a squares, so here there is of only a power 1, we need a squares, so I have to square on either side. So here squaring on both sides or both the sides, then the next logical step will be of, so here a plus b plus c must be squared and the right hand side 9 also must be squared. So here in order to get a square plus b square plus c square, squares of a, b and c, so I have squared on either side of this given equation. So this equation is already given for us in the if condition. So here a plus b plus c whole square is similar to capital A plus capital B plus capital C. So I am going to replace, so here capital A, so I want to replace capital A by means of the small a in the special product, and capital B by means of this small b, then capital C by means of this small c. Then that implies, so here a by means of, so a by means of small a and b by means of small b and c by means of small c. Then now a plus b plus c whole square is equals to, in its elaboration it is of a square, capital A square. So here capital A must be replaced by small a, so here small a whole square plus b must be replaced by small b whole square plus small capital C is nothing but small c whole square plus 2ab. So here 2 into a value is of a and b value is of b, then now plus 2bc, so here 2 into, so b value is of b and c value is of c, plus 2 into ca, it is c and as well as a itself, c into a, but a plus b plus c whole square as per the special product, this is the expansion. So here a plus b plus c whole squares, so it is this expansion. Then now that must be equated to, so here equal to 9 whole square, so here it can be written as 9 into 9. That implies, so here a square plus b square plus c square. So here among these three terms, that is 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, I want to take, so here 2 as common, plus when 2 is taken out as common, then just ab is left over, plus 2 already taken out as common, just bc is left over within the brackets, 2 taken out as common, just ca is left over within the bracket, that is equals to 9 9s is of 81. Then now that implies, so we need a square plus b square plus c square. Then now here this must be written as it is, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, but here ab plus bc plus ca value is given as 26 is equals to 81. That implies, so here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into 26, so is of 52, so equals to 81. So here that implies a square plus b square plus c square is equals to, so here when we transpose this plus 52 over to the right hand side becomes minus 52. So here 81 first of all must be written as it is on the right hand side, and plus 52 when it is transposed to the right hand side becomes minus 52. So here we got this logical step by means of transposing. So here by transposing LHS term to RHS, when plus 52 is transposed to the right hand side becomes minus 52. So in this manner we get as here a square plus b square plus c square, that is equals to 81 minus 52. Let us subtract here, 52 is of minus sign and 81 is of positive sign. So here plus into minus is of minus, we have to subtract greater minus least, 81 minus 52. So here 81 minus 52. So here let us borrow from here 11 minus 2 is of 9. Then now here it becomes here 7, so 7 minus 5 is of 2. So 29. So here its value will be of 29. So to assess the sign here among 52 and 81, 81 is greater, this sign is of positive. So we'll get plus 29 will be the result. So here in this manner a square plus b square plus c square, so value will be of plus 29. So the now the next logical step will be of, so here hence a square plus b square plus c square is equals to plus 29.